Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a question that often baffles traders: is option trading safer than futures trading? We'll unravel this topic and provide you with a straightforward explanation. Let's get started. Understanding options and futures. Before we delve into safety, let's clarify the basics. Options and futures are both derivatives, but they work differently. Options give you the right, not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price, while futures require you to buy or sell an asset on a future date at a predetermined price. Risk management. One factor that influences safety is risk management. In options trading, your risk is limited to the premium you pay for the option. If the market moves against you, you can't lose more than that amount. In futures trading, the potential for losses can be unlimited, especially if you don't employ risk mitigating strategies. Leverage and margin. Another aspect is leverage and margin. Futures contracts often require higher margin levels than options. While leverage can amplify gains, it also increases the risk of significant losses. Options offer leverage too, but it's generally lower than in futures. Market volatility. Market volatility plays a crucial role in safety. Futures markets tend to be more volatile, making them riskier for some traders. Options markets can also be volatile, but you have the flexibility to choose strategies that align with your risk tolerance. Limiting losses. Bonus point: one advantage of options is the ability to limit losses through various strategies, such as buying protective puts or using stop-loss orders. In futures, you may need to rely more on proper position sizing and risk management techniques. In conclusion, the safety of option trading versus futures trading depends on your risk tolerance and strategy. Options can offer more precise risk control, but they're not entirely risk-free. Futures can provide higher leverage, but they come with potentially greater losses. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content related to finance and trading. Remember, both options and futures have their place in the trading world, and the key to safety lies in your knowledge and risk management skills. Happy trading!